This vegan bulgogi is so flavorful and easy to make. All you need are a handful of ingredients, most of which are pantry staples, and about 25 minutes. It's high in plant-based protein, and leftovers are just as wonderful. We love to whip this up on busy weeknights because it involves very little prep work and is ready in minutes. Simply press the tofu while gathering the other ingredients. Then sauté the onions before crumbling the tofu into your skillet. Sprinkle the seasoning on top and stir occasionally as it toasts and becomes fragrant. Coat it in a homemade sauce and let it continue to cook as some crispy edges form. That's it. Enjoy this easy meal on its own, serve it over a big bowl of rice, use it for tacos, or pair it with a plate of veggies. Another tasty idea is to use this in lettuce wraps. You can use wide leaf lettuce as your base, then load them with gochujang paste, rice, kimchi, and this incredible tofu bulgogi for a meal that's out of this world delicious. You can find the full recipe in the caption below or on my blog. I hope you can give it a try sometime. Enjoy!